sports injuries, arthritis, and a lot of different conditions now have a new treatment option. It's an advanced laser therapy, and it's now available in Louisville. And Olivia Russell has been there live at OrthoLazer Louisville taking a look at how this works. Olivia?
Well, Shannon, this is really interesting because we know people have talked about lasers for so long, but this is the newest kind of laser, different treatment option. So I'm here with Dr. Conliffe and Aaron again. So tell us, this is an alternative to something like opioids. So this seems like it'll have a really big impact.
Yes, absolutely. So I work in a pain clinic, and we definitely see the need that people have for things like opioids. But as the media has done a really good job recently putting the spotlight on, they are definitely not without potential harms, and we really need alternatives. What's really special about something like the laser is, unlike anything else that we have, it actually taps into the body's ability to heal itself and really turns that on. And to be able to do that, to be able to actually heal something without covering it up like an opioid, and to be able to do it without much side effects, is really where these things are going, and that's what we're really excited about.
And Aaron, as you're over there with the machine too, what kind of reaction do you get from people? Can they even feel this? What's it like?
No, that's the good thing about it is a lot of patients during treatment, because we check in on them and I say, what are you feeling? And they'll say, actually, I don't feel anything. Is it working? And I'm like, no, it absolutely is, but you're not supposed to feel anything. So it's painless. There's no contact by the robotic head, and you're just sitting there kind of just enjoying a treatment, and you just don't feel anything.
Okay, so if people don't feel it and they're wondering, is this working? You're saying that on the medical side, you can actually see results.
Yeah, absolutely. And then what people have to think about it, because we're so used to things like the opioids, like the steroid shots, that, man, you feel better right away, but those things are just cover-ups. When we're really working with the body and trying to get it to heal, well, you got to remember, you don't heal in a day. And so once you start that process going and we kick it up, it can take a couple of weeks before the body actually gets there, really doing most of the work. And so it takes a couple of treatments. It usually takes a few times. You may get into, for an acute issue, we're usually looking somewhere around 6 treatments. For something longer, if somebody's got a real chronic, long-standing issue that they've had for years, it may take a few more. But you got to keep in your mind that this is the body working, and that's the beauty of it. But it takes its time.
Oh, a great option for people to have. Thank you all so much for showing this off. Reporting live in Louisville, Olivia Russell, Wave News. We have more Sunrise coming up right after the break.